Shabazz Masood is set to go down against Jose San Martin, and this is looking like a great fight. Shabazz Masood is an undefeated boxer. 11-0, he's got big right hand, he's powerful, excellent clincher. While Jose San Martin is a bit older at the moment, but he can take part in a long battle, and it really depends which way this is going to go. San Martin has a lot of experience, and I don't think San Martin will try to brawl against his opponent. I think he will try to fight intelligently, and Masood, or popular Maverick, is known for aggressive style, but this aggressive style shouldn't work against San Martin. San Martin has been in tons of wars until now, and this fighter out of Barranquilla, Colombia, is mostly losing to a decision or winning decision, and I don't see why would it be different this time. I don't think Masood is such a superior boxer, so I'm gonna say over 8.5 as a prediction. I see Masood edging out San Martin, but could go either way, really. We shouldn't write San Martin off, so over 8.5 my official call.